Hello everyone. Installing and configuring your support tools. Under this topic, we are going to see about how to install Android Studio, Java SDK and Android SDK in our system. So first, how to install Android Studio. So there are two types of operating systems. One is Mac OS and another one is Windows. So in Mac OS, we have to download the Android Studio package. It will be downloaded with the extension .dmg. Open that Android Studio.dmg file. From that, open the Android Studio volume. Drag and drop that into that application folders of a system. Now open that applications folder and double click the Android Studio in order to launch that. If it is Windows system, then download the Android Studio.exe file and launch that file. Then follow these steps wizard to install Android Studio. Android Studio will be installed. Now open the start screen and launch Android Studio in order to work with it. The next step is installing Java. So here the Oracle link is given. Here we can download the Java exe file and we can install into our system. In order to work with Android Studio, we have to install Java because Java is the background language for Android Studio. The next one is SDK packages. SDK is nothing but software development kit. So Android Studio has the default SDK. So in order to launch and set that package, open Android Studio. From that, choose Tools option. Under that, select Android SDK Manager. The SDK Manager tool will be launched. So here, click New to select all new packages that are not in the system and click the Install button. So click each group in the given list and click Accept License in order to install the SDK needed for our building of applications. Next, navigating the Android SDK. So tools, build tools, platform tools. So these are the tools used during the development of Android application. So platforms are nothing but the versions of Android. So platforms that you target, such as it will be in the number 8, 16 like that. So we have to find out the folder names with Android 8, Android 16, etc. Etc's and add-ons. These folders contain additional APIs that provide extra functionality for our development. Specifying the Android platforms. So Android platforms are nothing but Android versions. In order to reach large number of users, target for the earlier version of the app. In order to keep the development quick and simple, specify the newer version. Thank you.